Hey, so it's been a while because I kept forgetting to do it, but I wanted to make one last video just to cap off this whole shoulder surgery video series thing I wanted to do. So it's April 2022, and I am over a year post-op. So I had the surgery end of February 2021, and it's now April 2022, and everything feels really good. So, pretty much full range of motion. Bicep to ear is pretty good. I still have a little bit of pain every now and then, but it's slowly going away. I will say from a rehab perspective, and I was really good with my rehab and stretching and doing everything I was supposed to do, and probably doing more, like just to make sure I could get it healthy as quickly as possible. It took me definitely a full year to feel normal again. I started working out, I guess, 8 months, like started lifting weights afterwards. And in hindsight, I would have rested it for like another month, maybe two, just because I wanted to get back in the gym and get back to CrossFit and get back to lifting weights. And while it was healed and it was healthy, and there wasn't really any major threat of rupturing anything again or damaging the repair, I don't know if I was really, pain ready for it. I mean, I just kind of struggled through it. A lot of the movements, clean and jerk, getting my elbows up in front into the front rack, was very difficult. And it took me, and it still does take me, a lot longer to warm that shoulder up now, to make sure that I'm in good, proper position to catch the bar. I just finally feel like I'm getting the strength back in my shoulder. It felt very weak after the surgery, of course, and then even up to a year after, I was struggling with getting it strong enough again. So just happy to say that I think all is repaired pretty well. I think, my surgeon did a good job, Todd Mishner in Westchester, and just happy with it. I wasn't really ready for it to take a full year, but definitely took a full year. And again, this is a subscapularis total rupture. I had to reattach it. And then, just from the surgery and mobility of it, all the muscles in the shoulder and the rotator cuff and even the back and the trap, were just weak and tight. So it took a while to get back to normal. So happy to report that I think I am finally able to hang from a bar and do pull-ups and do all that normal stuff I was doing before. So that's pretty much it. If this helps you guys out there, great. Drop me a note below. I just wanted to get something out there in case anybody else is looking on YouTube for kind of a rundown on subscapularis rupture and repair and general rotator cuff stuff. So that's it. Take care. See ya.